Hey people, I'm Chipo Sarudzai and welcome to my vlog.
It's me, Chipo Sarudzai.
Today I'm going to be doing a what's in my handbag vlog. So here it goes. With this bag, I got it from Marks & Spencer outlet. Well, it's actually an outlet where they sell ex-Marks & Spencer stock. So it's super amazing quality. I'll start off by showing you my purse. I love this purse. It's pink inside. How adorable is that? And then, girl gotta have some deo, especially in summer. Gotta spray it. You gotta. So pretty. It smells so good. I wish you could smell it through the screen, but you can't. And some more fragrance. I am one of those people where I have to change fragrances really often. So this is MODE by Next, and I absolutely love this fragrance. It's MODE Perfume and not MODE Toilette, so it's really strong. It lasts for ages. So that's why I like to buy perfume from Next and also from New Look. Their fragrances are amazing. It's actually pointless buying me fragrances that are like super expensive because I change that often. I get bored of fragrances really quickly, which is why I like buying them from the store. I like buying the larger sizes or these itty bitty tiny ones. I pretty much finished this one today, and this one is Touch by New Look. I absolutely love it. I will be writing down like these things in the description box below. If you hear a little bell ringing, that's because there's this little bell in my handbag. I actually got this from the police. We're doing some singing at the local hospital, and they recommended that you put this in your bag to avoid somebody stealing it. You can hear the bell ringing and whatever. Yeah, so what else is in my handbag? As a designer, I have to have a tape measure. So this is my tape measure. If I need to measure somebody like randomly somewhere for a dress, that's what I use. I've got my makeup here. I got my foundation. I'll put it in the description box. Some sleek mascara. And what else have we got in here? My lipstick. It's a nice shade, this one. Okay, what else have we got in here? I'm sorry if this video is not as neat as you'd like, but I'm doing my best. Nail polish, in case it gets chipped, which it is already starting to do, as you do. If you're looking after kids all the time, they can get messy and you have to wash your hands often. Sunglasses, it's a summertime, so I have to have my sunglasses. And car keys, so I can get myself around. On my car keys, I tried to keep this coin thing, I lost it. And it's usually the same size as a pound coin, and that's what I use like when I need to use a trolley for shopping. So now I've had to replace it with this. There's this really nifty like thing that's the same size as a pound coin, and you put it in your trolleys to get the trolleys loose and stuff. Concealer, I'll put that in the description box as well. Eyeliner with a little brush for the brow, excellent. And when I'm in church, I get super warm, so I like to carry my fan. Now, there's a little story about this because there's an elderly lady who actually gave this to me. So it's got so much like sentimental like value to me. So yeah, when it gets pretty warm, I got like a super posh fan to fan myself with. And you know, we gotta do business. I got a pen as well. People are always asking me for pens, and a writing pad too, if I need to write some stuff down or leave a note for my husband for something. I'll shove some of this stuff away. And a pencil if I want to make a sketch. And I've got a mirror for makeup. I absolutely love these. I got these from Home Bargains, and they're super cool. And okay, now, this is a toothbrush, but I use it for my edges because nothing beats a toothbrush, ladies. You know this. And last but not least, I think, yeah, I've got my lip gloss here, and I'll put that in the description box as well. And then the usual, you know, sanitary stuff for ladies. I'm not going to show that right now. And I always have a spare pair of earrings in case I need to zhuzh myself up and look really, really pretty for somewhere, and then I put on earrings. But I believe that's actually everything that's in my handbag. Oh, sorry, one more thing. My business cards. It's always important to be ready as a businesswoman to network anywhere, literally, which is why you always have to be looking on fleek all the time because you're literally selling yourself. And you have to have your business cards to give out. And yeah, that's what I've got in my handbag, people. I hope you like it. Thank you. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. And thank you. I'm Chipo Sarudzai, and thank you for watching my vlog. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, like, and share, please. And remember, you're most beautiful being you.
Chipo Sarudzai.